Morning po. Ito yung tinatawag nilang crispy pansit palabo. Lokban sausage and chicken sausage. Lain na bangos, chicken tocino, pork tapa, hash brown and bacon. Morning po. Iba nilang croissant, butter croissant, chocolate muffin, pork Danish, almond croissant, blueberry. Yan. By the way guys, nandito tayo sa Crimson Hotel, Philinvest City, Alabang. So kung mag-booking breakfast po kayo is nasa 1-2 kung meron kayo senior or PWD card, 600 na lamang po ito. So hanggang sa muli, maraming pong salamat.